Timing, freshness, and quality are critical when providing products for high-end restaurants, private clubs, or caterers. Because of this, Fortune Fish, a company that processes and distributes top-quality seafood, meats, and cheeses, relies heavily on their fleet to deliver gourmet products within exceptionally short delivery windows. However, because they needed to focus on their core business, Fortune Fish wanted a logistics partner that could provide a reliable fleet with a comprehensive maintenance solution. And that's why they chose to partner with Ryder.
Well, we bring in seafood and gourmet food products from all over the world. We did 58 different countries last year. We process, on average, over 1 million pounds of seafood products per week. So that could be live lobster, salmon, trout, swordfish, tuna. And it's brought in from all over the world, along with our other gourmet products. We have a lot of people that work for us overnight, processing orders, fulfilling them, loading trucks, and getting them out the door. We haven't always been with Ryder. We worked with a local company right when we started, and as we started to grow, we realized we needed a national partner, somebody with facilities all across our distribution area, lots of equipment, the knowledge and infrastructure that would be great for us as a partner as far as our logistics go.
Fortune Fish got started in 2001 and began doing business with Ryder shortly after in 2008. And the Ryder Bensonville, Illinois location being a stone's throw away from their facility in Bensonville, it made sense for us to partner. Our folks know the Fortune employees and vice versa, so we know and we can anticipate when there's something that we need to accomplish for them, even if it's not necessarily scheduled for maintenance.
We have a fleet of 85 refrigerated trucks of varying sizes. Full maintenance, which is really the key for me. The ability, somebody to manage those PMs and any service needs that you have.
Ryder's full service maintenance program is huge for Fortune Fish because they know that we have them covered if one of their vehicles is down for service. We're providing them with a substitute vehicle at no charge, and we are able to keep them up and running.
So our high volume seafood restaurants, like Trulux for example, they rely on us to make 1 to 2 deliveries every day. And so we need our equipment to be working and reliable. And busy restaurant like Trulux, they have a lunch and a dinner, and their orders can't be late, their deliveries need to be on time, and that's what we count on Ryder for.
So once the delivery comes in, I make sure we touch base with the driver, and by now we have a pretty good relationship with the driver, so he knows what our expectations are. So once that fish comes in, we get it weighed, we look for quality of freshness. I'm temping it, we're making for the eye, we're making sure that that's nice and bright, we're touching it, making sure that every aspect of that fish is to our quality at all times. Working with Fortune Fish Company, they know that timeliness is very important to us, and especially in the restaurant business, we got to make sure that we have our product on time always, and it's never been an issue with Fortune, and knowing that Fortune has a partnership with Ryder and knowing that they're always going to deliver on time is very important to us.
Every truck that we own is a rolling advertisement for us. And that's why I want those trucks clean, I want them looking great. The logos, the decals, everything looking perfect. And working with Ryder, we've been able to maintain our fleet in consistent form and design, and that's been a big advantage for us.
Ryder's national presence was really able to support Fortune throughout their expansion in the Midwest. For example, they opened their location in Minnesota, and we were able to quickly domicile vehicles out of the shop right next door. We also do business with them in Minneapolis, Kansas City, Indiana, Wisconsin, and their home shop of Bensonville, Illinois.
We're looking around at other opportunities to expand our footprint. And again, that's why it's vital that we have the right partner for our logistics, and Ryder is that partner for us.